Next question.
Okay. So, next question. Is it difficult to connect the lock to Alexa? Anyone can answer?
No, not really. It's not very difficult with the help of tech support. Yeah,
Oh. Hmm.
with the help of tech
Oh,
support, we can assist a customer to set up
yes.
the lock with the app. It's very
Okay.
easy. You just download the app and go in the app, hit device. Or,
Hmm.
Yeah, we actually wrote white papers on this, so like we have it on the FAQ side. We can email it to people. We can read it off to you. We can we can walk you through it step by step. There's several ways to do it. Like for example, Jasmine has the Alexa device at home. She just connected it to her device, and it took like I don't know less than 30 seconds when she did it. I thought she was joking because I'm
yeah.
like, really that fast? And she's like, yeah, I just did it. You know,
Oh, I love it.
me and Denise, we had to download the Alexa app on our phones because you know, a particular company who I'm not going to name took too long to deliver it. So we just we just download the app. We talk to it, just set it up on the app. It was pretty easy. So we have white paper on that too, in case people want to share it around or save it in your save it in your email, just in case you get a new phone or whatever, or just call us up. We're here, Um, so just so everybody knows, we're here Monday through Saturday, 9 to 6 Eastern Standard Time. And then we also have emergency callback service. You just leave a voicemail. We check it regularly. We get alerted and all that. So if there's God forbid there's an emergency or a locksmith is in crisis and he needs help, we're here. We'll do callbacks. We'll do whatever we can to help out. We're just closed on Sundays. We're like Chick-fil-A.
Okay.
Oh, and also we can also link the Salty Smart Lock, the smart app with the app Smart Things, Samsung Smart Things.
Oh, good. Good for you. That sounds
Yeah,
great.
yeah.
All right, so next question. How many credentials can be stored?
You
Uh,
can store up to 100 credentials, 100 fingerprints, 100 PIN codes. So I doubt that you need 100, but go ahead. They have so many.
Oh, wow. Nice. Anybody else? Okay. So now we're gonna go on to the expert level.
hmm? Oh, you do? Oh, okay. Ask that question. I'll add the rest to the document.
So the next question, sorry, I had to do something. So the next question will be, can I find the MAC address or IP of the Wi-Fi lock?
No, this is not accessible and it's not in the application.
So I love this question because I welcome these types of situations where you have multiple locks and you have to have so many locks, so you have a managed network. So most commonly going to find this in like a nursing home. For example, some nursing homes where the residents have their own little apartments, right? And sometimes they're going to have, well, most of the time they're going to have a home health aide. Sometimes they're non-medical home health aides, just a companion, and they're going to need access to the apartment. Now, what's common nowadays is that you just give a PIN code, right, to the home health aide, and then when the services are no longer needed, you just delete it. And all they're going to do is just use the deadbolt. So when the resident is going to sleep, go to bed, lock up for the night, whatever, they just turn the bottom lock, in addition to the deadbolt. Or some people nowadays are just taking off the handle and just putting one of those press knobs, so there's no second lock, just the deadbolt only, which is perfectly safe too. That's the deadbolt is harder to break into. So you're gonna find security. Sorry, IT administrators. You're gonna have a managed network. They may have, I don't know. Some places may standardize these Wi-Fi locks, and they may have like 50 or 100 locks on the network. and they're going to want to do what's called statically assigned IP addresses. So with our locks, we don't have that type of access in the app, nor do we have a graphic user interface on the lock to access the information. So the only way to access the MAC address or IP address is by using what's called the DHCP server. So when the router assigns IP addresses, it sees the device on the network and it says, "Oh, I know you. I'm going to give you an address." All right, and then it gives an address and it takes down the MAC address and writes it down in its blue book. So what an IT administrator is going to have to do is they're going to have to put this network, put this Wi-Fi device on the network with the password, and then put it on DHCP so they can actually assign it an address, and then take it off and or just take the least time off the device because you can't actually go in there and switch it to static. So it's you know it's not terribly difficult. They just have to use their DHCP, which any network administrator will do. They shouldn't have a problem with that just to set it up. So I like these types of questions because I like networking. But I welcome this again because that means that the nursing home can standardize it and use Solity for all 50 to 100 locks.
Okay, great. All right. Thank you, Darren. That was really good. Now, the next question. Are there any tamper detections? Anyone?
Yes, the lock does include tamper alerts and like intrusion detections as far as like when you enter the code incorrect multiple times, like it'll have an alarm beep and then it'll lock you out for about like a minute.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, plus
That's
it's
really
going
good.
to alert the homeowner on their mobile app. Say authentication failed. How many attempts? 3 attempts, 2 attempts. At that point, the person's going to be like, you know what? Either let me check my cameras or let me just call the police right away.
Oh, great. Wow. Interesting. Nice beard, by the way.
Oh, thank you.
You're
Hey,
welcome.
it's Nadia. Hey,
Hey,
what are you doing up there?
what are you doing down there?
I was late.
Okay. Okay.
He's talking to
Good
you.
one. He's talking to me. What are you doing at the side?
He's no, he's underneath you.
What is she
Hey,
doing at the back?
Darren.
All
What
right.
are you doing,
Okay,
bro?
okay.
uh, all right.
Okay, so next question. Are there any role-based access controls?
Ooh, who wants to take that one?
Yes, there are. There is an
Okay.
admin role and user roles, so the admin has complete access. That's when you That's when you're trying to like add a code, add a fingerprint. You always have an administrator code. So you have that admin role, and then you have, just regular users with user pin codes.
Nice, nice. So,
Very good answer.
guys, this was really a lot of fun. I'm glad we got to introduce ourselves to the team. I mean, to the world. This is these are going to be the primary technicians you guys are going to work with. The company, is global, right? But these are your dedicated engineers for the U.S. Plus, the team is growing consistently, so don't worry. There's no long time, no long wait times, and we do have a priority line for the technicians in the field. So if you're a locksmith, a security professional, even a contractor, call us, set up an account with us. We'll put you in the system as priority. So unfortunately for the consumers, I'm sorry, but the locksmiths would need priority, so we're gonna have to bump them up to the top of the list. But good thing is our call times are really short because we got mad skills.
Yeah, you do.
So
Yes, we do.
we end calls quickly, so
You
don't you
all of
guys
you.
worry. Technicians, we got your back. Consumers, we will walk you through it step by step. Don't you worry. You're not alone, and you don't need to be frustrated. In fact, we love the frustrated consumers because we like being the hero. So when they're like, "This cheap piece of junk is not working," like, whoa, 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 hold on. Nobody needs to be getting used the C word here. All right, there's nothing cheap, but we're gonna help you out. And you know what? I've had those calls a lot, and I'm not gonna. I know it sounds like an exaggeration, but those calls help me get promoted in other companies. So, uh, because come on, think about it. People are calling angry. They want to return the product, but what's gonna happen is we're gonna walk them through it. They're gonna not only um, get calmed down and they're gonna feel peaceful, but they're gonna have fun. Because we like to have fun here, right? We just for those who don't work tech support, it's very difficult to handle tech support calls when people are screaming at you and cursing at you. We don't like that either, but we've been on both sides of the call before, just like Denise. We call him done right here because when it comes to tech support calls and calming people down, it's always done right.
Done right.
So we say this because
Yes.
I've been on tech support calls too where I get angry, but then I realize, you know what? Um, we've both been on both sides of this thing, and it just helps to crack a joke here and there, share some experiences, be like, listen, I've been through this too. I know these things are expensive. I'm gonna do my very best to help you out. And you know what? If
We are
this,
here to take your frown and turn it into a smile.
nice. And for every angry customer there will be a donut thrown at done right. All right. So thanks, guys, for your time. We appreciate this. This was a fun video. Please reach out to us at on our website. We have Solity Smart Locks. Denise, is that the correct address? I don't visit it often. Denise is the pro.
What address?
The website address, and also Jasmine, can you tell us the phone number for tech support?
Oh, the email address for the website
No, no, the
is
website address for Solity Smart Locks.
the email address
Oh, sorry, you can use that too.
is support at solitysmartlocks.zendesk.com.
Nice. And Jasmine, what's the phone number for tech support?
It's 631-634-6768.
Ah, 631. Sounds like a. So it's not like a 011-468 something from a different country?
No,
Nope.
it's not.
US
We
based.
are USA based, AI free
USA! USA!
technical support
Nice.
service.
Alright, guys, we're going to put all this information in the description of the video. We hope to talk to you soon. Feel free to give us a call for pre-sales if you have the questions just about the lock before you buy it. Give us a call. You currently can get this on Amazon at the Solity store. Check us out, and hope to hear from you soon. Thanks, guys.
We're here to solve your problem.